COVID-19 is making treatment difficult for hospital patients who don't even have the virus.
News 8 Now's Tyler Jobe is live in our newsroom with a local mom's story of how healthcare staffing shortages are impacting her son's care.
On Monday, Amy Nolte's son Joe was admitted into the Gundersen-Health-System ICU for sepsis, but now Nolte, who was a nursing assistant, says she took him home. That's where she believes he will get better treatment.
It's been a long road from day one, but it's getting more difficult the older he gets.
Amy Nolte's son Joe has complex medical issues.
He's definitely a fighter.
She says for the last 3 years, her son has suffered from kidney infections, UTIs, and sepsis. And this past Monday, he was taken into Gundersen's ICU. Amy says Joe was on his third battle with sepsis since April of this year.
By Monday morning, he had gotten sick enough, spiking 103 temps at home, that it brings us in here.
Amy says she has certain steps in place that makes Joe's medical care easier, but COVID-19 is making treatment more difficult.
We have some really great regular staff that we see a lot, and even talking to them, they're like, I don't know how long I can do this. Like, it's not like this is a bad place to work or anything. It's just where healthcare is in general right now.
According to the Wisconsin Department of Health Services, Amy's story is not unique. Because of rising COVID-19 cases, Dr. Ryan Westergaard says hospital systems statewide are strained.
We've lost a lot of healthcare workers. I think, as everyone knows, it's been reported that we've had early retirements. People are tired.
Amy says a Gundersen spokesman is aware of her concerns. We asked the spokesman to respond. He said responding would violate HIPAA. Amy says she was waiting hours for staff to get Joe what he needs, leaving her with few options.
Which is why we're leaving today, because I feel like I have the things that I need to take care of Joe more at home than they do here.
Amy says there is one solution to turn healthcare treatment around for not only her son, but for other families, and that is getting everybody vaccinated.
It's scary to just think that this is what healthcare potentially is going to look like for the, future.
Now, just to show how much Joe has battled in his life so far, Amy says he was born at 24 weeks at Gundersen 25 years ago. She says Joe has battled cancer and even suffered a stroke before developing problems with sepsis. Jordan, Amy.
All right, thank you, Tyler Jobe.